In the meantime, let's switch things up and talk some weather with Chief Meteorologist Bill Graw.
A high of 45 on Saturday after snow fell in parts of the region Friday night. And then yesterday, a big improvement. 65 was the high in La Crosse. And today took a little step back, but not too bad. Mix of clouds and sun, a high of 60 degrees out at the La Crosse airport. That was briefly set at 120. Most of this day we were in the 50s. 39 was the low this morning. 54 and 33 are the averages. 80 and 10 are the records, and no rain or snow in La Crosse for today. Currently, a mostly cloudy sky. I think the automated sensor out at the airport, kind of wishful thinking, although if you look towards the airport, a little bit of blue sky, so maybe that's what it's seeing. 55 degrees, 56 downtown, winds out of the northwest at 13. And look at the Mississippi. That rise is going to start to increase, and in terms of its rate, because those overnight lows not dropping below freezing. You don't get that refreeze, and that really speeds the snowmelt process. 45 degrees for you folks in Eau Claire, and it feels like 40 with a little bit of a breeze. And the Chippewa River spiked a little bit, but it's running high as well, but coming down just a little bit, 766.6. Keep an eye, by the way, on the Black River from Black River Falls down through Galesville and the Mississippi River and the Yellow River around Necedah, both running high, a little bit above flood stage from the heavy rain on Friday. Look at the spring-like temperatures in the Central Plains in the 70s. We're kind of on the northern edge of that milder air with 50s locally, a little cooler to the north, low to mid 40s up towards Minneapolis, Red Wing, and Eau Claire. Winds generally from the northwest at 5 to 15. All right, we've got some isolated showers and sprinkles this evening in our southern communities. A lot of this not reaching the ground. What is very light rain or sprinkle activity. My focus is on a storm system out to the west here. This is going to take a very similar track to the one last Friday. And like last Friday, how far north this warm front lifts will be key in that severe weather threat. Like last Friday, right now it looks like the main severe threat will be to our south. That's where most of the activity will be. Similar spots that saw the strong to severe storms last Friday. And like last Friday, we were on the far northern edge, barely a level 1 risk in La Crosse, but our far southern counties, especially northeastern Iowa, parts of Crawford, Richland, Vernon, far southern Juneau and Adams in a level 2 risk. And the local timing looks to be from about 6 p.m. to midnight, so a little bit later threat than what we saw on Friday. Strong winds, hail, maybe some isolated tornadoes, but again, that tornado threat higher farther south, near and south of that warm front. But we'll keep a close eye on that for you tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow night. Sky trackers showing just cloudy skies, and then that rain shower activity starts to move in tomorrow afternoon. Thunderstorm threat really not until after the dinner hour, and they're kind of scattered about as they quickly race to the north and east through midnight or so, and then more hit and miss type showers after that and into the day on Wednesday. But boy, the winds are going to be howling from the west for much of our Wednesday. So for tonight, those showers to the south, otherwise mostly cloudy, 38. Alert day tomorrow due to that thunderstorm threat late in the day and into tomorrow night. Daytime highs around 49. Again, it all hinges on how far north that warm front lifts. And then another alert day on Wednesday because of the strong winds. 54, not severe weather, but we could see wind gusts of 25 to 50 miles per hour at times, especially the wind-prone areas. Cooler Thursday, 40s back in the 50s on Friday. Look at next weekend. Low to mid 60s with slight chances for showers and a few thunderstorms, especially on Sunday. But keep an eye on tomorrow and then hang on to your hat and everything else on Wednesday.